Does your whammy bar make this annoying creaking sound? Today I'm gonna show you a very cheap DIY solution to this problem. All you need is the PTFE tape that you can get from a hardware store for less than $1. First, we need to remove the whammy bar, or the tremolo arm as some might call it. Then take about 2.5 to 3 inches of the PTFE tape and wrap it around the part in between the arm and the screw. Using a small screwdriver may help this process as it can get a little toilsome. Now, it's done. Once we're done, we need to do the same with the male screw thread of the whammy bar. Again, take about 2.5 to 3 inches of PTFE tape and wound it around. Once we're done, it's time to put back our whammy bar in place. Tighten it as snug as necessary. Now, as you can hear it, the annoying and creaking sound is gone. Fixed. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe and notification button for more videos. Thanks for watching.